Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've just got a little bit of friend mail today, so just a quick video just to let you see what I've got. This one has been put through my letterbox and this one arrived yesterday, so I'm going to show you what they are. So have a look at this one first, because I did open it because I did think, oh, what's this? So I'm just putting things through my letterbox, but yeah, when I saw it I thought, oh, I know who that's from. Okay, and wow, look at all this. Oh wow, yay. So this is from my lovely friend Chris, who lives fairly nearby. I mean, it is quite a way to go. Look, she sent me some of these fantastic little bit thicker grip seal bags, and they are a lovely quality, these as well. So yay, thank you, Chris. And and then this is just a little message that she's put: to my favourite magpie, watch out for the frogs, love from Hornsey Magpie. Yeah. Yeah, Chris absolutely loved my comment when I said about the frog and saying about frog in your throat, and it's a funny saying, and you know, it's as if a frog would pop out your throat and say, oh, hello. So she sent me a fab sticky mat in frog green, very appropriate. So these are the little mats. I think they were originally developed for cars, so that you could put them on your dashboard and put your phone and your keys and things on them, so that they won't slip off. So the both sides are sticky, and as crafters we tend to kidnap things that are useful to us as well. Yeah, both sides are very sticky. If you do find that you get fluff or hair or anything like that on them, just wash them under the tap, give them a little bit of a soak, and then once they're dry they do become sticky again. So yeah, very, very useful and reusable. But yeah, I tend to use them for my tray. If I'm using my easel or whatever I'm using, my table tilted, then these are great, because when you, oops, let me do this, take off the sticky and put your tray on. She just happens to have a tray to hand. They do stay stuck on. As you can see, I didn't even push that down and that is stuck. So it just saves you knocking your tray over. I can't guarantee that your drills won't knock and come over the top, but it does stop your tray from coming off. I tend to use it as much as anything for my pen, because my drill pens tend to roll. So if you've got one of these handy somewhere, you know, you don't even have to have the whole thing. You could cover some of it up and just have a bit to put your tray or your pen on. But yeah, I tend to find that it just stops my pen from rolling away. And again, look at that. That's a metal pen, and I've just sort of like thrown it on, not pushed it down or anything, and that's stuck. So yeah, it just saves when I put it down to get some more drills out. I know where my pen is because it's stuck to my little mat. So thank you, Chris. Very, very useful. And I do use them about the house as well. But yeah, let me just see if I can get this back on now. Better doing it flat, Liz, because if you do it up in the air, it's not going to stick. Right. So yeah, just keep the covers on if you're not using them. But as I say, just a little bit of warm water. It just gets the fluff off, and then they could become sticky again, and you can reuse them. Yay! And then she got me, look at this. Look at that bling. How cool is that? Wow. So it is actually a ballpoint pen. Oh, hang on, let's get it out of the box. Oh, look. It's a trick pen. It's stuck in the box. Okay, let me get it out. Let me get it out. Is it going to come out? Will it come out the bottom? Oh, now look. Chris, you know I'm easily confused. Was there any reason for you to buy me something that's so difficult to get out the box? That's better. Comes that way, look. And let me just get this from here. Wow, it is fully blinged. Oh my goodness. No wonder she said it was for magpies. Wow, look at that. It's completely coated in gems. Now, to be fair, if you've got a a pen of your own, that's, you know, it'd have to be flat. You could put some gems yourself on it, but that would take a long time, and this is beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. And it's a really nice pen as well. And strangely, you'd think that the diamonds on it would be difficult to hold, but actually they're not. They're a little bit rough, which, I mean, that helps you hold your pen anyway, but they're not digging in, you know, to write with. They're not digging into my fingers at all. Oh, and a lovely ball pen action. I suppose you could turn it into a drill pen, but I do have a lot of drill pens, and I do like to have a nice pen in my handbag because we do go a lot of places, and I tend to have to fill out forms when we go to hospital and things with hubby. So yeah, this will be coming with me. Oh, imagine, you know, you're in a really dark and dismal hospital, and it's a dark and dreary day, and you say, I'll just get my pen out and just dazzle everybody. Oh yeah, and it's a lovely writer as well. Oh yes, that is gorgeous. So thank you very much. Oh, so that's a gorgeous pen. And a sticky bag. Oh, it goes all different colours when you move it as well. It's like rainbowy, and some very useful little bags. Now then, this one, I do know what it is because I was sent an email from Charlotte, who previously did say to me that she's not a mad axe murderer. So she did send this to me. Oh, we've got a little note, so let me just have a look at my note. Oh wow, okay, right. Oh, look at those. Okay, so she sent me a little note, and this is really enjoying all your videos, even though it's costing me a fortune because I keep seeing things I like in your unboxing videos. The British Bulldog just being the one example. Yeah, I've had a lot of feedback on that Bulldog, and he was cute, the one with the crown and the little Union Jack vest on. And Charlotte was the person who got it, as I think I said in my kitting down video. I couldn't remember, I knew somebody said they'd got it, and I just asked if they could check whether they got a pink Bulldog or whether theirs was a better colouring. So Charlotte's going to let me know, and she's the Yorkshire lass now living in Wales. So yeah, Charlotte used to live in one of the towns pretty close to where I am now, and actually pretty close to where Chris lives now as well. So yeah, it's funny how and this is what I love about diamond painting and the craft community, that you meet people that you would possibly never ever have met before, and you start chatting to people and you find you've got so much in common. It's lovely. So thank you ever so much, Charlotte. This is gorgeous. She did say she sent me these through because they are all Great Britain themed. So let me see if I can get them out yet. Sealed again. I had to have left my scissors out. We just have a look at these. These are actually from the works as well, which if you saw one of my previous videos, I did get some diamond painting from the works, but I didn't see these. To be honest, I would probably have got them if I had. I do use washi tape a lot around the edges of my paintings and things. Okay. That up, so let's just slide that off. So we've got a lot of British themes, and because I'm doing my my Jubilee scene in my corner, Charlotte thought that these would be really, really useful, and they are brilliant. So let's just have a look at a couple of them. I can see, oops, oh, they're all going to come out together. Okay, so we've got that one's just got little crowns on it. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can just about see the little crowns on that one. Then we've got our very iconic red phone boxes. Actually, here in Hull, we actually have one of the only private telephone companies in, I don't know whether it's in the world, but certainly in Europe, and that's Kingston Communications, and all our telephone boxes are actually white. They're not red. We have our own. Unfortunately, it makes broadband and things a lot more expensive because we can only use the Kingston Communications one. We're not open to anybody else. We've got a nice plaid one there. This one says I love London on it. It's got a nice heart and a I love London. A little bit dark to see, so I do apologise. Oh, right, this one goes this way around. And I don't know if you can see that, that's Big Ben. So we've got Big Ben, like, it's alive. And the Houses of Parliament. That one is a definite. Brilliant for edging some of my flags and things. That's the Union Jack, the Union flag to go around. A little bit more, that's more of a tartany colour. So quite difficult, that one's a little bit dark to see on camera. And oh yeah, that one stands out a bit better. Look, the red one with the Houses of Parliament. And well, it's actually the Queen Elizabeth Tower. Oh, it's got the London Eye on it as well, the big wheel. So yeah, that's all London scenes. Very good. What have we got that's different? I won't go through all of them because it'll take forever, but we've got that one looks like that's trains and travel. We've got buses, which again, the big red London buses, they're very iconic. We've got a guard stood in his little hut there. Again, we've got Big Ben on that one, or well, the Queen Elizabeth Tower. Big Ben is actually the bell inside. Yeah, very British, umbrellas and rain. Yeah, if you ever come to Great Britain, if you've never been before, I would bring your bikinis and your wellies and an umbrella, because you're never quite sure whether it's going to be boiling hot or whether it's going to be raining. Or possibly both all in one day, you never know. Some lovely blue, there are some patterns on there, and then again a plaid, which I love. Oh, that one's a bit thicker. Let me have a look at that one. Yeah, that one's a bit thicker, of all Union flags, Union Jack flags. Okay, and then that one is the London Underground, which again, very iconic. That London Underground map. I'm not quite sure what that one is. I'll have to get my magnifying glass and have a look. I think it could be possibly Nelson's column. I'm not quite sure. I'd have to have a look at that one. And oops, put these so that they stand up, but these are definitely going to go. So thank you ever so much, Charlotte. It's really, really kind and wonderful of you to think of me. And then this one again is, oh, we've got postage stamps with the Queen on. We've got a London bus, we've got the London Eye, and quite a few iconic things there. So yeah, I will definitely be using these. So it says it's a washi tape set. There's 24 in total. If you check out theworks.co.uk online, you may be able to get them. We do have quite a few work stores, the work stores in the UK. I feel very honoured and very special and very humbled to have received these lovely little friend mail items. Thank you so much, ladies. It really does mean a lot, and I love getting my little parcels. So, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see more and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell that will just pop up, then you'll be notified when any of my videos come out and you won't miss anything. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.